Yo, what's up, guys? It's Joseph Take once again. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to unpublish your app, on Google Play Console. So, let's go there. So, we have to log into our Google Play Console account right now. So, let's log into our Google Play Console account. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and watch this video to the end. If this video really help you, please kindly share this video with your friends. So, once you enter your Google Console account, the first thing you have to do is click on the app you want to unpublish. Of course, as you're seeing here, we're having two apps here. One is live and one is under review. So if you want to unpublish your app, you go directly to the one that you want to unpublish. So let me click on anyone here. So I'm clicking on the first one. So you can see the app right here. The app is live on Play Store. You can see the app live on Play Store. So if you want to unpublish your app right now, you come down, go down to setup, go down to setup. So under setup, go to advanced setting. Under setup, you go to advanced setting. So under advanced setting, you can see a whole lot of stuff you can do right here. So click on advanced setting. So you can see it here now. Unpublish your app. You can see it here. Unpublish your app. So you can see form factor. You can add some stuff right here. You can manage your Google Play Console accounts. You can turn restrict access to your app, either by people tracking your app, blah blah. So you can see action on Google. You can do anything with this. You get. So now if you want to unpublish your app, you click on unpublish and you unpublish your app immediately. So that's it. If you want to publish your app, click on unpublish and immediately you unpublish it to write save change and you are good to go. So if you like this video, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, share with your friends, and stay blessed.